doon na say reklamo ani yan sa kanan kurog kundi first starting, and then pagka daga na daw running so we fine like this. So we need to know what's the problem going on, like the diagnostics here. Babato dito sa ating computer, no? Siguro magamit kita kating isang diagnostic na to, pangmalakasan na mga diagnostics. Dili siya mo-display o sa pagdili mo-display o check engine light niya, pero so yung problema ni lahi itong isa mo-detect na ito pagka mayroong check engine light, but this one detect even without check engine light. So dili ka sa oray advantage ani nga computer ay medyo high-tech yan kasi kung isa minsan depende lang kung paano yung sa pinagay para kasi maka-tip this one very good. So dito natin makikita kung may problema ba talaga. Most likely EGR ang problema, but we have to confirm lagi ng diagnostics so pagka ano lang daw first start nagturog ang tinanong shift yun. Pressure sensor. Okay. So fuel rail pressure sensor. So obviously dili siya sa kanang dili hanggang pag-shaky sa makina. Hindi about sa EGR. It's all about the fuel rail sensor. Delete this thing. So delete that. So pakita ko yung pressure sensor sa natin i-delete yan. Ano muna natin dito, baka loose connection lang, whatever. Sometimes loose connection lang ang loose connection na po ang maaring dahilan. Double check lang natin before tayo so ito yung fuel pressure sensor dito. At ito yung kanyang dito yung fuel regulator, ito yung malaki. So right side, if you have a Volkswagen, the right side, which is the bigger one, is the fuel regulator. This one here, the fuel sensor, fuel rail sensor. This one. So check lang natin yung kanyang contacts. But it looks like solid. So effective ito. Kailangan po natin ng fuel sensor. again, to determine where's the fuel sensor, this one here. This one on the right side is the fuel regulator. Okay. So ang fuel regulator, pagka ito ang sira yung fuel regulator, is matagal ko siya mag-start, no? Kasi nawawala ko siya ng pundo na yung fuel rail kasi sisip-sipin niya, so mawala ng pundo, kaya mahirapan mag-start yung engine pagka sira ito ang fuel regulator. Anyway, pagka sira ang fuel regulator, malalaman naman natin kung sira kasi ituturo sa atin ng diagnostics, no? But for now, ang sira is ito, this one, fuel sensor is faulty, no? So we will address that. Just tell the owner that cause of the problem with the fuel sensor fuel rail sensor regulator, fuel rail sensor, and then i-delete muna natin to and we will see if this light will come back on. So it will come back on. Let's see. Delete. And then we go back again just to let us know if the port codes are like gap. Sometimes coming back on or not coming back on. Sometimes it's mag-look ko lang like a faulty status. So let's see now. It's still detecting with the fuel. Kaya siya magkakaroon ng medyo shaky yung engine on the first start because para siyang nasushoot ng nasushoot siya sa fuel. Nawala siya, no? Nawala. So it may be the control is a little bit loose. So tingnan natin ang connector and we will see. So a little bit loose yung connector lang, and then we will address that to the owner. We will tell them the problem is solved. So pagka fuel rail sensor, ang ano po nito is medyo shaky yung on the first start, medyo shaky yung engine. Okay, so that's the symptoms of the faulty fuel rail sensor. Thank you.